Happy St. Patrick's Day, everyone. Welcome back. Well, to me. It's been a minute. I'm literally just putting on the most wrong shade of foundation right now to just have something on my face. I haven't worn makeup in like a month, if not longer. It's been a minute. It's been a while. This is, obviously not the right brush, not the right shade. But I just wanted something to kind of even out my skin, basically. Yeah, see, like my face is like pure white, my neck's like darker, but it's okay. I just felt like coming on and doing something green for St. Patrick's Day. Maybe I can like darken this up. I don't know where any of my I don't know where any of my powders are though, so we're just gonna stick with this and don't look at my neck while we're doing this. Also, it's probably super streaky, and I already have a crease in my forehead for my frown lines. Oh, super streaky. Good times. Anyways, we're just gonna pretend that it hasn't been forever and pretend that we're just picking back up where we left off. So yeah, I want to do like a green kind of St. Patrick's Day little eye look. I don't have like a green palette. I should have ordered like the, what is it, Blood Money from Jeffree Star, but I didn't want to pay that much money for makeup. So I'm just going to use a few different palettes and see how it turns out. So this is the one I used before, the Tammy X Revolution. There's a couple greens in here, so possibly some of that. And then Storybook Cosmetics, the Robin Hood one. There's like two little greens that I've used in that one as well. And then this one I haven't used, the Violet Voss All of You Forever. There is a couple like nude green type shades in there. Well, the entire palette is nude green. Okay. I don't know what to talk about. I just figured I might as well come back so that we know I'm coming back. I don't know. That sounds weird. I need some brushes. I want some new ones. Way too much stuff. Okay, how many are in here? 5. Let's see. Might as well just open new ones. The other ones are all dirty. Okay. So these are crown brushes. I don't have a vision here. I think I'm just gonna kind of do what I normally do and just figure it out as we go along. Let me just get all the plastic off these, otherwise we're gonna be listening to that this entire time. And nobody wants that. Okay, there we go. These are nice. I like these. Like the little angle there. Anyways, don't know where to start. Let me just put on like a, this is out of the All of You Forever. It's called Wink. I'm just gonna put that kind of all over my lid just for fun. I don't think you're gonna be able to see it. Yeah, there's not really a tone to it. It's just a really nude color. Also, I'm gonna be looking everywhere because that's where my mirrors are. Everywhere. You can see it. Okay, yeah. Maybe you can't, but I can. What a random day to come back. I mean, I figure it's been literally exactly a month. I might as well just like pop in for a quick visit. I have been like focused on trying to get my closet done. So that's going to be like another couple of hours just because I have way too many everything. Clothes, pants, shirts, whatever. Any type of clothes, I have way too many of it. So it's been taking forever to organize and hang everything and go through it. And some stuff I'll donate. So it's just taking a lot longer than I was thinking it would. But that's okay. I'm thinking what do I want to do here? Do I want to go dark or do I want to go light? Let's go dark. It's called Merry Men. This is out of the Robin Hood palette. This one has a lot of fallout, so, but I'm just gonna go on the corner here. This is gonna be such a mess, but honestly, I just haven't done my makeup and had some fun in a long time, so here we are. I know like a couple of you, that is an odd shape, have been like messaging me on like Instagram and stuff, so that's very nice of you guys. I like talking to you. Yeah, I don't know what that shape is. We'll figure it out. But I like talking to you guys, so it's nice that you guys like checked up on me or whatever, but I just was just not feeling like filming anything or doing anything. It's been a very boring month. Just a lot of work and a lot of random organizing. My kitchen got done. This room is almost done. I have way too much stuff and I keep ordering stuff, and that's my problem, is that I don't really, Kaycee, like, what are you doing here? I don't know how to say no when it comes to pretty things. I need something to clean this up. Whatever. We'll make it work. We'll figure it out. I don't know what my goal was here. They're kind of like the same shape though. Right? Oh, now I just really screwed that up. Okay, well, we'll bring that up more. And up over here. Literally, when you have no skills, I guess, you just go for it. I need a different brush. I'll use this. There's like, oh no, it's coming off clean. It's stained blue. Okay, there's like this really nice, I want to call this like a leprechaun green. What color is that? St. Catherine. This green. I'm just gonna put that one on the inner. It should be quite different. A lot lighter. This is just gonna be a big green mess. I should have tried to do like something cute, like 4-leaf clovers or something. Something actually nice to look at. You know what though? This kind of makes my eyes stand out a little because I have hazel eyes. I haven't talked to you guys in so long that I'm just like super breathy over you. Ooh. This is ridiculous. I'm gonna have to add some sparkle to like, why is that one not doing what I want it to do? It's not cooperating with me. I could be like something from Frankenstein, or a turtle. I could be a turtle. Anyways, I want to do so many brushes. I want to do sparkles. Sparkles. There's one called, literally called Greens in the Revolution palette. I just want to put it over top of this one. You can't see it. Oh, there's so much fallout underneath my eyes. Maybe next time I should actually use a mirror. Yeah, this is doing nothing, but I'm going to do it on the other eye just to even it out. Okay. I should take a brush real quick, and I always just use this. I broke this, so I use this to like get stuff off my face. I actually didn't break it. It was cheap. It came from Wish in like a pack of like 24 for like $5, and the glue just didn't hold on. Sorry, I bumped you. Meh, I'll just leave it. Otherwise, it'll probably fall. Okay, where did I put my... I'm going to put the sparkle one underneath. I'm so distracted. You guys, haven't done this in so long that I just don't even know what I'm doing anymore. Or where I put any of my stuff. I know I have a liquid liner here somewhere, but I don't know where. And I had planned on using it, so I probably should have kept it out. Is it right there? Okay. This I'm going to line the under my eye here. This is that same greens one, the sparkly green that you can't even see on the top. I like it though. It's like super metallic-y. I kind of want to put it like on this lash line right here, even though I'm probably going to cover that up. Okay. Same thing over here. Again, there's no rhyme or reason. It's just for literally just to have some green eyeshadow on. Oh, you know what? Something that I should have talked about but didn't. Can you guys see that I actually have eyelashes now? It's pretty crazy. I ordered an eyelash lift kit off Amazon. I can't remember what it's called. I'll show it eventually. But I went to my friend Erin's house and she did it for me. It's like a perm or whatever, and it actually worked. I have eyelashes now, so that was super exciting. That's something good that happened to me within the last like month. What am I looking for here? Here it is. Liquid liner. This is, I don't know. I have no idea. Dragon liner. Okay. What a rushed little thing, but you know what? It's better than going another month without saying hi to you guys. I miss chatting with you in the comments, seeing what everybody's up to. For some reason, Bud, come here, Mr. Man. He hasn't come, like, here he comes. He hasn't come to say hi. This is so weird, having eyelashes and doing this now. I'm used to not having eyelashes. Hi. Come say hi. Do I do a wing? I don't think I do a wing, because, like, this is just all messed up. Yeah. Say hi to everyone. Yeah. Come here. What did I do? Come on. Well, don't do that. Jump up here. Don't do that. You have to jump up here. This is so hard. And he's gone. Okay. Oh my god, I thought I heard you walk out of here. You just scared me so bad. Oh, you gave me an actual heart attack. Okay, glad that was on camera. Thanks, bud. Jeez. Okay. Well, here's his butt. You scared mommy. What was that noise? It sounded like you walked out of here. Okay, hang on, because now you're going to step in all of the palettes. There. Ready? Okay, there. Okay, so let me just take a... Oh, I shouldn't have called you because now you're kind of in the way and I feel bad. Just gonna like, honestly, I'm just gonna ruin this right now. Like, not that it looks great, but I'm just gonna put, it's called Olive You. It's kind of like a shimmery greenish gold color. You really? Hi. I'm gonna put that up here. Careful. Okay. Yeah. Why did I call you here? I mean, I love you, but now a little bit regret it. Tiny bit. Okay. Does that look weird? Kind of. He's been so sucky, like you've been so sucky for the longest time. Don't lick my nose. Oh my gosh. Okay. Silly goose. Okay. Yeah, I mean, that looks okay. Meh. Meh. There. Now I just want to put on some, like, possibly some blush just to add some color. Wait, where did I put my blush? I tried to organize everything, you guys. Like, I got, like, all these new, like, things and stuff, and it's just, it's driving me insane. I shouldn't have done it. I regret it. Okay, so let's see. Have I used this before? Also, I just, like, load my blush on. We know that about me. I don't have to repeat myself. You're in the way. I can't see my mirror. I can't see my mirror. I can't see. I can't see through your little face. Okay. Stop snuggling everything. Stop snuggling everything. Now, highlighter. I'm just gonna grab, I don't know, I think this one's my real, it's like a highlighter in French Vanilla. I think it's an actual highlighter. I have one or two things of hers that's like not from Wish. Wow, my face is so pale right now. Okay, hang on. I'm almost done. He's like, you called me here. Why are you trying to get rid of me? I'm sorry. I shouldn't be getting rid of you. I just, yeah. Mommy's face looks so pale. Oh, you just saw that, did you? He saw himself on the camera. Okay, and then we gotta put a lipstick on, bud. Should we just, like, we gotta find something like nude. Okay, hang on. Something nude, because otherwise it'll look like Christmas on my face. This is a Trestique in Nantucket Nude. That worked out. We're just gonna put that on. Oh, I forgot I had like one of those. Tracy, if you're watching this, you bought me that Airwick thing that like goes off every once in a while. I forgot about it and I put it in this room. And then now every time it goes off, it kind of startles me because I've never had one before. I really should have put a liner on and overdrawn these lips because they are super thin. Okay. There. How does it look? Do I look amazing? Whoa, did you slip? So yeah, that's like the finished look. This is like happy St. Patrick's Day from me and Bud. We love you. Hey Bud, say hi to the people. Yeah, so it's been fun catching up. Leave me a comment if you want to like catch up more. Like and subscribe. I don't know. It's been a while, so I just don't remember what I used to say. But yeah, I'm gonna do it's like an unboxing video, that's all I'll say. And then once the closet's done, we'll do like an actual try on because it just would not go well if I tried to do it now. No, I look even more pale with you behind me. Please don't. Now mommy looks even so much more white. Let me turn this. Okay. Yeah. So yeah, thanks for stopping by and hanging out for a bit, and hope to hear from you in the comment section. Bye guys, see you next time.